Good morning, children. We will be continuing with the topic physical nature of matter. Now, you see, in the previous class, I told you that matter is made up of particles, and to prove this, we did this experiment. The experiment was we had taken a beaker, we have put some water in that beaker, and then we added some salt in the beaker, and when we added the salt we saw that the level of water did not change. The reason that we gave was the particles of salt have been adjusted in between the space that was present in between the water molecules. So this is the reason why the level of water did not increase. Understood? So this was one experiment or one activity to prove that matter is made up of particles. Now children, the next topic or the next point that we are going to talk about physical nature of matter is how small are these particles of matter. Now the first point was that matter is made up of particles, so we have proved it. Now the second thing we are going to discuss is how small are these particles. So to prove this, again there is an activity here, activity 1.2 in your book. Now what we have to do is we have to take 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in 100 ml of water. Now just as you have sugar crystals in your home, शुगर के छोटे छोटे दाने होते हैं ना, crystals. Similarly, we have taken 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate and we have added them in 100 ml of water. So you see, this is the beaker containing 100 ml of water, and now I am adding 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate. Now as soon as I add the crystals in water, you can see the color of water changes to pink, a very dark purplish pink. Now what we will do is, from this beaker we will take only 10 ml. From this beaker we will take only 10 ml of colored water and we will pour this in third beaker, which is having 90 ml of water. Again I am repeating. What I have done is, in the first beaker I am taking 100 ml water, then I am adding 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate in that beaker. The color of water is changed. Now I will take only 10 ml of this water and I will add it into the second beaker, which was having 90 ml water. Now children, 90 plus 10 ml from this beaker, so the total becomes 100 ml. One more thing, when I put this colored water in 90 ml water, the color of the water is again changed, but it is little bit lighter than the previous beaker. Now again I will repeat the same activity. I will take 10 ml from this beaker and I will add this 10 ml in 90 ml water. Again I can see that color of the water is pink, but it is lighter than the previous one. And this I will repeat till the color disappears. That means I will repeat this activity again and again till the color of the water disappears. Now, why are we doing this, or what is the conclusion of this experiment? This experiment shows that just a few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water. So that means we conclude that there must be millions of tiny particles in just one crystal of potassium permanganate, which keep on dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles. And because of that, the conclusion is that particles of matter are very, very small. Again, I repeat, because of this experiment, children, this experiment, we prove that one crystal of potassium permanganate is made up of thousands of tiny particles. And because of this reason, the large volume of water got colored. अगर crystals छोटे ना होते तो फिर वो सारे वाटर को कलर नहीं कर पाते, because the crystals are very small, they spread out all through the volume of water, and because of that the color of the water changes. So this activity helps us to prove that particles of matter are very, very small. The same activity you can try with Dettol also. That means instead of potassium permanganate, you can use 2 ml of Dettol. And you will repeat the same procedure and you will smell it. Now because Dettol, you will get a particular smell of Dettol. And you have to dilute it till the smell disappears. Okay, so both these experiments prove that particles of matter are very small, beyond our imagination. We can't even imagine how small they are. So I hope this activity is clear. So for this activity, you will write down a question. All of you write down the question. The question is already given in your book, you see here. What is the question? Question is, how small are these particles of matter? Add a few words here. How small are these particles of matter? Prove with an activity. Again, I am repeating. How small are these particles of matter? Prove with an activity. This is the question. Answer, you will start from here. Take 2-3 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in 100 ml of water. Then you will also write this. Take out approximately 10 ml of this solution and put it into 90 ml of clear water. Take out 10 ml of this solution and put in another 90 ml of clear water. Keep diluting the solution like this 5 to 8 times. You will write till here 8 times. Then you will move here. This experiment shows that just a few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water. So we conclude that there must be millions of tiny particles in just one crystal of potassium permanganate.